What's up, everyone? Today we're looking at this 2017 Glastron G185. White and red, really looks good on the water. That tan interior. We'll hop on the top side, take a closer look. All right, we're top side on this 2017 G185. Got our sun pad right here with audio head unit off the back, so we don't have to hop back in the boat to control those tunes. Optional backrest and storage right here. Very nice to have. Vinyls are in excellent shape. Boat's in excellent shape. Right below 65 hours on this Glastron. Audio control unit there as well, with Bluetooth. At the helm. Gauge clusters. And then our depth, water temp, all of that controlled right there. Again, 65 hours on this boat, in great shape. Stop at our MarineMax Crosslake location and check this boat out for yourself.